Do you have healthy habits? You can say yes if you eat healthy food and do sports. Your answer is no if you eat junk food, stay up late, and spend a lot of time watching TV. What can we do if you want to be healthier? First of all, you have to eat healthy food. Cut down on fatty products, fizzy drinks, and crisps. If you are starving, you can have an apple or a glass of milk as a snack. For breakfast, choose cereal and juice. Regular physical activity is just as important as healthy eating. Take up a sport and go to the gym. Do morning exercises, go to school on foot instead of taking the bus. And what about your state of mind? It's also important sometimes to let off steam. Talk through your problems with a good friend. Pay attention to the following word combinations. Stress out – сильно нервничать. Lose weight – сбросить вес. Put on weight – набрать вес. Take up an activity – заняться спортом, хобби. Go on a diet – сесть на диету. Cut down on junk food – уменьшить потребление вредной пищи. Join a gym – начать ходить в спортзал. Listen to some tips for healthy eating. They can help you to stay healthy. Fruit, vegetables, and grains are very nutritious, rich in vitamins and low in fat. Meat, poultry, and fish are rich in iron. Calcium builds strong bones, so make sure dairy products are part of your daily diet. Make sure you chew your food slowly before you swallow it. Active kids burn more calories, so they need more to eat. Make sure you follow a diet that works for you. Check your weight once a month. Let's review modal verbs which are necessary for speaking about habits. Modal verbs may and can are used for giving permission. Have to, must, need express obligation. Don't have to, don't need to, needn't express lack of necessity. Mustn't and can't express prohibition. For giving advice, we use should and ought to. Might, may, could express possibility.